You've been crocheting the same boring squares for months, and somewhere deep down, you know you can do better than that. What if I told you that in the next few minutes, I'm gonna walk you through over 100 tiny crochet ideas that are so cute, so easy, and so fast, you could finish some of them before your tea gets cold. Some of these you've probably never seen before, and a few of them, I promise, are gonna make you drop whatever you're working on right now and grab your hook. So let's get into it. Let me start with something that surprises almost every beginner. A lot of people think small means hard, like if it's tiny, it must be complicated, but that's actually backwards. Small projects are where you get to be fast, creative, and done in an afternoon. And when they turn out cute, there's nothing better than that. The first category I want to talk about is mini animals. These are everywhere right now, and for good reason. We're talking tiny frogs, little bears, pocket-sized bunnies, all under 4 inches tall. Most of them use only 1 or 2 basic stitches. The magic is in the stuffing and the placement of the eyes. A 6mm safety eye placed just a little lower than you think looks adorable every single time. Start with a basic sphere, that's your head. Chain 4, slip stitch to join, then do 6 single crochets in a magic ring. Round 2, increase in every stitch, that gives you 12. Round 3, alternate between a single crochet and an increase. You're at 18 now. Do 3 more rounds without increasing. That right there is already the start of something that fits in the palm of your hand. For the body, you do the same thing, but go a little longer before you start decreasing. Stuff it firmly. The stuffing is what makes or breaks these little guys. Too loose, and they look sad. Too tight, and they lose their round shape. Use small amounts of polyfill and pack it in gently with a pencil eraser where the blunt end of your hook. For the ears on a bunny, you can make 2 tiny ovals. Chain 5, single crochet down one side, 3 in the last stitch, then back up the other side in slip stitch to close. That's it. Sew them on slightly toward the back of the head and angled outward. Instant bunny. Now let's talk about something a little different. Crochet keychains. These are probably the fastest wearable item you can make. I'm talking 15 minutes for some of them. Little mushrooms, hearts, stars, lemons, clouds, all made with super simple shapes and a little bit of color. The mushroom is a fan favorite. For the cap, you're going to make a half sphere, magic ring, 6 single crochets, then increase in every stitch until you have about 24. Then stop increasing and do 2 rounds straight. That forms the curve of the cap. For the stem, just make a small tube, slip stitch a ring together, single crochet around for about 3 or 4 rounds. Sew them together, add a little felt piece for the white spots on the cap, and clip a keychain ring through the top. Done. The lemon is even easier. It's literally just a small oval stuffed tight. Work in rows instead of rounds for this one. Chain 8, single crochet across, turn, continue for about 10 rows. Fold it in half and single crochet the edges together while you stuff it at the same time. Finish off, leave a long tail, and use that tail to pinch one end together and sew it tight. Do the same on the other end, you've got a little lemon. Add a small green leaf made with 5 chains and slip stitches back along it, and you're done. These keychains also make incredible gifts. If you're someone who doesn't know what to give people, make a set of 5 or 6 of these in different colors and put them in a little bag. People go crazy for handmade things right now. Moving on, let's talk about crochet bookmarks. These are underrated and they only take about 20 minutes each. The simplest version is just a long, skinny strip with something cute attached at the top. Tassel bookmark. Chain 60, single crochet back along the chain for 1 row. Fasten off. Make a tassel by cutting about 10 strands of yarn, folding them in half, and attaching them to the bottom by pulling the loop through the last stitch of your strip and threading the ends through. Done. Cute, useful, 5 minutes. But here's where it gets more fun. You can make little critters that hang off the top of the bookmark. A tiny strawberry, a small ghost, a little sun with rays. These just attach to the top of the strip. For the strawberry, make a small amigurumi ball in red, add a few surface slip stitches in a V shape down the front to look like seeds, and make a tiny green flower-like shape for the top. Sew it to the strip, that's your bookmark. Now, I want to spend a bit of time on crochet hair accessories because I feel like not enough people talk about these. Crochet scrunchies are huge right now, and they are actually one of the easiest things to make. All you need is a hair tie, some yarn, and your hook. Take your hair tie and fold it so you can hold it in your left hand like you would a ring. Wrap your yarn around it, Make a slip knot over the tie itself and then single crochet directly over the tie, going into the hole in the middle each time. You're essentially covering the entire hair tie in single crochets. For a standard size tie, you'll need about 120 to 140 stitches. Once you've gone all the way around, slip stitch to join, fasten off, and weave in your ends. 30 minutes max, and they look expensive. You can also make crochet ear warmers super fast. Chain 6, single crochet back and forth until your piece is long enough to wrap around your head comfortably, sew the two ends together. Done! That's a tube ear warmer. You can add a little crochet button or flower to the side to make it look intentional and cute. Let me now give you a whole list of quick ideas you can work through. I'm going to go fast because, honestly, each of these deserves its own video, but I want you to have all of them. None of these take more than a few hours at most. Several of them take under an hour. That's the beauty of small projects. You can finish them in a single evening. One more thing I want to mention before we wrap up is crochet bunting and garlands. These go fast because each piece is tiny and you just repeat it many times. Tiny triangles, small hearts, little stars strung onto a piece of twine or yarn. Each individual flag is maybe 15 minutes. String 20 of them together and you have a full garland for a nursery, a birthday party, or just your living room. If you want to make a heart garland, chain 2, then work 3 single crochets into the second chain from your hook. Chain 1, turn. Increase in every stitch. That gives you 6. Chain 1, turn. Single crochet 1, increase, single crochet 2, increase, single crochet 1. You now have 8. Chain 1, turn. Single crochet across all 8. Chain 1, turn. Now you're going to split the heart. Work on just the first 4 stitches to make one lobe of the heart. Single crochet across 4, turn, continue for 3 more rows, then decrease to a point. Fasten off. Attach yarn to the middle and work the other side the same way. Once both lobes are done, use your hook to join them cleanly at the top center. Weave in your ends. That's one heart. Make 20 in different colors and string them up. The thing I love most about small crochet projects is that they let you practice a ton of different techniques without committing to a big project. Each little thing you make is teaching you something. Amigurumi teaches you shaping. Keychains teach you clean finishing. Garlands teach you consistency. Hair accessories teach you working over a foundation. Before you know it, you've made 100 things, and every single one of them has made you a better crocheter. Now, go pick one, just one, from everything I shared today and start it tonight. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.